Investing in new windows for your home in Rockville is a great way to enhance energy efficiency, boost curb appeal, and improve indoor comfort. However, to ensure that your new windows remain in top condition for years to come, regular maintenance is essential. Proper care can prevent costly repairs, extend the lifespan of your windows, and keep them looking and functioning like new. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to maintain your new windows after replacement in Rockville. Keep your windows clean. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to maintain your windows is by keeping them clean. Regular cleaning not only improves visibility and aesthetics but also prevents dirt and debris buildup that can affect window functionality. Glass cleaning. Use a mild glass cleaner or a mixture of vinegar and water to wipe down window panes. Avoid harsh chemicals that can damage coatings or tints. Frame and sill cleaning. Wipe down window frames, sills, and tracks with a damp cloth and mild detergent to prevent dirt accumulation. Screen cleaning. Remove window screens and rinse them with water. Use a soft brush to remove dust and debris before reinstalling them. Inspect and maintain seals and caulking. Seals and caulking around your windows play a crucial role in preventing drafts and moisture infiltration. Over time, exposure to changing weather conditions can cause these seals to deteriorate. Check for cracks or gaps around window seals every few months. Reapply weather-resistant caulk if you notice any gaps or peeling. Monitor for condensation between double-pane windows, which may indicate a seal failure requiring professional attention. Lubricate moving parts for smooth operation. To ensure your windows open and close easily, lubricate their moving parts periodically. This step is essential for windows with hinges, locks, and sliding mechanisms. Use a silicone-based lubricant to keep tracks and hinges operating smoothly. Avoid using grease or oil-based lubricants, as they can attract dirt and grime. Check locks and handles to ensure they function correctly and adjust them if necessary. Protect windows from harsh weather. Rockville experiences varied weather conditions, including hot summers, cold winters, and occasional storms. Protecting your windows from the elements can help maintain their longevity. Install storm windows or protective film to reduce exposure to extreme weather conditions. Ensure proper drainage around window sills to prevent water damage. Use window coverings such as blinds or curtains to reduce sun exposure and prevent fading of interior furnishings. Address minor repairs promptly. Ignoring small issues can lead to bigger problems down the road. Keep an eye out for the following common window issues and address them as soon as possible. Drafts or air leaks. Apply additional weather stripping to improve insulation. Cracks or chips in the glass. Small cracks can expand over time, so seek professional repair or replacement if needed. Loose hardware. Tighten screws and replace damaged parts to maintain window stability. Prevent mold and moisture damage. Windows are susceptible to moisture buildup, especially during humid seasons. Preventing mold growth and moisture damage is key to keeping your windows in great condition. Wipe away condensation from window surfaces to prevent mold formation. Ensure proper ventilation in rooms with high humidity, such as bathrooms and kitchens. Check for water leaks around windows after heavy rainfall and address them promptly. Schedule annual professional inspections. Even with routine maintenance, having a professional inspect your windows annually can help identify issues early. Window experts can check for seal integrity, glass efficiency, and frame stability, ensuring your windows remain in peak condition. Final thoughts. Maintaining your new windows after replacement in Rockville is essential for preserving their beauty, efficiency, and functionality. Regular cleaning, inspecting seals, lubricating moving parts, and addressing minor repairs can keep your windows performing at their best. By taking proactive steps, you can extend the lifespan of your windows and maximize the benefits of your investment. If you ever encounter major window issues or need expert maintenance, consult a trusted window professional in Rockville. With proper care, your new windows will continue to enhance your home for many years to come.